So now I'm going to talk you through a simple way to eat out on the go and make sure you stay on track. So you don't absolutely just buy sandwiches and crap like that. So a really good place in the UK, the M&S garages sell loads of healthy food. So they've got fresh fruit, vegetables, strawberries, stuff like that. I've also become addicted to a few things. I'm going to go find one of those things firstly now, and this probably isn't the healthiest. These are legit. Do you want one, Lewis?
Yeah, go for
Sour apple?
Yeah, sour apple.
So, yeah, enough is said of these, but they taste banging, so get one of these. In terms of eating out on the go, easy go-to. I'd get like a bag of Wild Rocket, or if you haven't got a container, buy something like that, and then buy pre-cooked chickens, meat, something I really like in here, which hopefully they have got, which I didn't have for a while, are the squid rings. So I'll show you what I'm eating next. Okay, so I got very quickly sidetracked. So in terms of healthy fats, guacamole is banging, it's basically just avocado. I'm also moaning about how expensive this is, because anyone who watched my YouTube video about Costco, I've got massive pots of guacamole for not a lot, and that's £3 for that 325 gram tub, which won't take me long. Now to the actual point of this video. Wild Rocket, so some veg, and this is where the real magic comes in. If you're into seafood, smoked paprika calamari, that is the boy. So 3 for £7. I would use 2 per meal. So 2 is 40 grams of protein, so that's what, about £4 for a meal. And then I've got an extra one for a little snack later on if I wanted that. Or you could swap it for any of the other things that you want. But if you're not into the seafood, I go for something like the pre-cooked chicken. That's a really good option, it's super easy. So, or if you can't be asked for that and you do want to just have a sandwich like Lewis, then do that. But in reality, if you're looking to be conscious about eating healthy and getting leaner, then go for something like a pre-made veg, good source protein. And if you want to add fats to the meal, then we've got the guacamole dip. And if you're looking to add some sort of carbohydrates, I'd probably buy something like rice cakes or more fruit. So we're going to stack this up and then go and enjoy this bad boy. But this is a very simple video and some of the simple options you have to eat out and make sure you stay on track. Job done, another successful experience. We've got our magical calamari rings. So if you guys have any questions in terms of eating out on the go or how to make the most of food and what you have available, drop us a comment below and we'll try and give you some more advice. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.